Make this wooden cover notebook with an xTool F1. Remove the cover from the notebook. Use a pencil to outline it on a sheet of corrugated cardboard. Measure it and create a digital file. Import your design into xTool Creative Space. You can use the color selection to easily select different portions of the design. These are the cut settings we use for corrugated cardboard. Select everything and remove the output. Then select the first area that you will cut and activate the output. Use the outline framing option. Ensure the frame lines up with the notebook pencil outline on your corrugated sheet. Then process. As you complete a section, remove the output and move to the next section. Repeat this until you complete the cover. You would need to rotate certain parts of the design and the material. Use your cardboard mock-up to make an outline for your wooden covers.
Because if you look at how school paradigms, they're probably shooting at
A link to our digital file is in the comments. For more updates, like this video and subscribe.